Get a feel for the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, wood-grain interior trim, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, heated mirrors, keyless start, fog lamps, remote engine start, aluminum wheels. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.